Hello guys, it is me Rufus guys. So yeah, how are you? Fine? Yeah, that's great. So when I was making my Pokemon Adventure Red Chapter 1, after I make it, many of them ask me how you edit your video, how you make your intro, how you make those sidebars which you use for your walkthroughs or the let's plays, and what kind of songs you use. So these questions are basically normal and great questions you guys asked. So and they even ask how you use those thumbnails, how you get those, why it's not coming for me. So these questions are great, I can answer them right now. So first let me get from the video. So for the video screen recorder, I mainly use AirShoe. Why? Because my Android version is 4.4.2, where it is an KitKat, I believe. It is a KitKat. So I could not use Mobizen or the DU screen recorder. So I rooted my phone. I had my phone and I just use this AirShoe. Okay. So the video quality you can adjust how much ever you want. It goes to HD. So that's great. The next thing I use this eraser. This one. This eraser is really cool equipment, guys. It's really cool. You can erase the background of all of your what I know you made, guys. It's great. I'll just go ahead and get the sample for you. So this image, you can already know that it's my channel's icon. So you should just crop it and you can erase background just very simply, and you can make it like transparent. So that is great. Another feature is you can do it by auto. Like you can just press it and you can just do it like that. And over here like this. It's very simple to use this app. I recommend for you guys for this. So just let's go for the second thing. So the second thing comes as a photo layers. I use this for making my sidebars mainly. Many of you ask how do you make this sidebars. So sidebars are none other than this one, the Pokemon outlet layout. So I use just like that. So you just get an image from the Google. So I got the image from the Google, this one. Okay guys, so I got the image from the Google. I just need to crop it. Okay, and done. Then after that you can erase this transparent kinda background in the eraser, and you can erase the Pokemon blocks, erase it. Then you can add pictures like just like go to add. I'll go one of my Pokemon, this one, this Red, which I use for my Pokemon Red. I just minimize it, keep it like that. But I need to just do another cropping in that, so it's not a big issue. You can do it on your gallery just like that, guys. So this is the second app I use for my making the sidebar. So coming to the next is what video editor you use. So KineMaster, yeah, the KineMaster I always use. I use always KineMaster. It's a great ability when you're coming to use KineMaster. Why? Because you can crop the video, then making intros. So where I do my intros, I do it on Pixel app. This app is really good, guys. You can make a video however you want, guys. So here's the new text where they can edit it. Just cancel it. So it comes like this, and you can recenter wherever you want, and you can even position it like this. Then you can relate position. You can just give it up, and you can even make it big like this. Then you can even use coloring for that. Then you can create style. You can make it bold. You can give it some font, like I give this 49 ooze. So it's great, right? This app is not a recommended app from me. It's great, guys. Then the comes to the how I edit it. So I just go for KineMaster. Okay, guys. Then after you make a video, it comes over here. Okay, it comes over the part down where it shows 000, a long clip like on paper clip of the video. Then if you want to know how I make the video, how you just get it, you can see the tutorial. I'll send the link down you can see it in the description below. And if you have any complaints how I still don't understand, please reply on comment what you don't understand. So the another video editing app I use is, wait a second. Another video editing app I use is this Power Director Bundleocean, guys. So both these app, this KineMaster app contains watermark. So how we don't need the watermark? The watermark is nothing but showing those power that you can see in my first 12, I believe, episodes of Pokemon Fire Red. Full watermarks, complete watermark issues. So how do I fix it? I just downloaded the APK of it, and I downloaded this Pokemon, the Power Director bundle version APK because I didn't get it in the Play Store. I need to just send the pin code. You can see it in the links down. Okay, guys. Then, so at last, how you give out the thumbnails? Yeah, how you give out the thumbnails? It's not very complicated, but you need your permission from your parents, I believe. If you're a youngster, you need to get the permission from your parents. If you're an person who goes on your own self, don't need, right? If you have a Google account, go to your browser. I go for Chrome, okay? Then open YouTube, okay? Open YouTube. Okay, guys, just go for your type www.youtube.com and you just open it, and you can see that
with the desktop thing.
you got it, guys. So if you have logged out in your computer, you can use it on computer, or you want to log it down in your Android device or your iOS, just go to your browser, open your YouTube account, just sign in using this small icon on top. You can see it's my icon. Just tap on that, sign in, guys. After you sign in, you just tap on that 3 lines over there. You can see 3 lines. Just tap on the 3 lines. Wait a second, it's not coming. Okay. After you type on that 3 lines, you just come up like this. You'll see home, my channel, trending, subscriptions, usually what other than that. You just go for my channel simply. Okay. For this, guys, to get the thumbnails, you need to verify your account.
Page, and you need to just uh, go to your icon. Okay, so you need to just go to your icon and you'll just go upon your video, your YouTube videos. Then, so after you come back, it will be like you need to go to your YT Studio. You need to download this app so that you can easily get your all of your videos. You can see in this dashboard, and even this videos, you can just go to the videos option, go on your video you want to edit, and just tap on that pencil mark, and you can just go on the custom thumbnail or the thumbnails which are given by the YT Studio. So if you verify one, you will get that custom thumbnails. If you tap on the custom thumbnails, you can see them like that. So it's better that you verify your account in the YouTube. If you have a Google account, it'll be easier. Otherwise, you need to create a Google account. So, guys, I think this is much for today. This is for today, guys. Tomorrow, I'll see you in another new episode of Armature Red. Okay, guys? See you. Bye bye.